Hello and welcome to the Savings Highway Global Corporate Presentation, where we help people save, share, and prosper. This is Bill Constantin, Chief Financial Advisor of the company. Join our mission, help 1 million families become financially free. Join a 16-year-old company. Millions of dollars saved by members already. Millions of dollars paid to SHG representatives, helping people save and make money in over 141 countries. Better Business Bureau rating of A+, starting with our founder, Steve, and his wife, Luce Gresham. Tim and Kathy Jones, Representative Relations. And there I am, Bill and Nicole Constantin, Chief Financial Advisor. And Cornell and Shanita Jones, Chief Insurance Advisor, completes our advisory group with Savings Highway Global, where we're here to serve the entire company and help everyone save and make money. The time now is to improve your life. Yes, SHG can help you find freedom through finances, pay off all your debt, travel, see the world, enjoy your life, receive gratification from helping others, start a college fund, start a retirement fund, get a tax-free retirement, leave a legacy, and so much more. What's most important for you? Saving money, making money, or both? Saving money every day with SHG on things that we buy already, shopping and travel and dining, cashback shopping malls, and so much more. Saving on everyday dining, tens of thousands of restaurants. Saving on movies, shopping, clothing, and so much more. Saving up to 75% on travel. Here we're saving 50% in Paris, France, up to 55% in the Philippines, up to 60% in Hawaii. Save big in Las Vegas and save big in New York City and over 141 countries. Titanium, our #1 membership. Save thousands per year and have fun. Enjoy the journey along the way. Global travel savings, up to 75% off public rates. Stop paying retail. Start enjoying the savings of Savings Highway Global. Savings portal, dining, shopping, entertainment. Save up to $500 to $2,000 on car insurance. 24-hour teledoc, unlimited free consultations. Free 24-hour road service, family legal plan, free simple will, financial tax hotlines, free tax preparation, dental, vision, and prescription savings, and much, much more. And on top of that, you get $5,447 in free bonuses. Bonus #1, credit repair software. Bonus #2, you get a 3-day, 2-night hotel stay, valued up to $350. Bonus #3, $1,000 per year in grocery savings. Bonus #4, $1,800 per year, Founders Live Call Center for those that would like to make additional income. Bonus #5, a Founders 4-Diamond Vacation. That's a $2,000 per year value for only $199. Of course, this is not a guarantee of health, savings, or income. All results will vary. Tax deductible. It can be actually free for you. It doesn't have to cost you anything if you have an intention to make a profit, have a home-based business. That means it can be 100% free. You can save money on things like your mileage on your vehicles, home office, cell phone, computers, business dining, travel. Average tax savings, $3,000 to $10,000 per year, according to our platinum mentor, Sandy Botkin, who's a former IRS attorney, senior tax law specialist, and the best-selling author for the book, Lower Your Taxes Big Time. Save on car insurance. Over 50% of Americans can save $500 to $2,000 per year. Here's Reggie, $1,348. Thank you. Brenda just saved over $2,400 per year on her car insurance. Free 24-hour doctor on call. Access doctors by phone or video 24 hours a day. Unlimited 100% free consultation. Save time and money. No waiting rooms. No per visit fee. Absolutely free with Savings Highway Global. Bonus, $1,000 grocery savings. Choose your coupons mailed to you each and every month. Save up to $100 per month right there. Bonus, credit repair software, $297. And this is just for Savings Highway Global. Bonus, call center working for you, $1,800 a year value included with your Titanium membership. We'll have a trained Savings Highway Global representative from the call center welcoming any members that you refer. Teach them how to log in, how to save money, how to access training. It's all done for you, and you get paid. Bonus, $2,000 value vacation each and every year. Choose from 125 destinations in over 38 countries, and that's every year. And now, not only can you save money, but you can make money as well with SHG. With your titanium opportunity, your path to $20,000 plus of monthly income, well, it starts with you by deciding you're going titanium. Again, Better Business Bureau, A+ rating, and disclaimer once again, this is not a guarantee of health, savings, or income. All results will vary. Go titanium and put all the benefits on your side. Here you are. You help 2 people join at titanium. At $199, you make a $100 fast start bonus for each person. Now you've made $200 on your first 2 people. Congratulations, you've become a titanium consultant. And new promotion, SHG has changed the game. A free $50 consultant bonus when you refer 2 titanium members in a calendar month. Now you've earned $250 with only 2 referrals, and you are in profits. I've never seen this in the 33 years in the industry that I have experienced. So now we want to help our people refer people. So Adam and Barb come in. Now they refer 2 people each, and you get additional income. You get bonuses for that. So surprise, now you get a $100 business bonus. You earn a $50 bonus for helping Adam refer 2, plus you earn another $50 for helping Barb refer 2 people. That's $100. You can do this with each of your referrals one time every month. Now you made $250 by referring 2, and you made a total of $430, and you've only personally enrolled 2 people so far. You've started your path to making up to $20,000 per month and becoming financially abundant. Let's see how this will happen when everyone just helps 2 people. At Titanium, at the first level, you personally enroll 2 people, and now you're making $50 per level, and that's $100 of monthly income. That's exciting. Level 2, now you're making $10 per person in your organization, in your matrix. At level 2, you have 4 members times 10, that's $40 for another $140 a month. Level 3, 8 people times 10, that's $80, now $220 a month. So just going down all the way to level 9, that's an extra $10,300 per month. And at level 10, including all of that, $20,540 a month. And how many people did you personally enroll? 2. How many did your people enroll? 2 each. That's very exciting. Now let's go for Titanium Manager. Refer 3 and go Manager. Refer 3 to increase your earnings, 3 by 10 instead of 2 by 10. Go Director. Refer 5 and rank up. Refer 5 to increase your earning potential. Earn 11 instead of 10 levels. Plus earn a 5% matching matrix bonus on all of your personally enrolled members. And then the income potential is dramatic. At level 10, $885,000 a month. You get a 5% matrix match bonus on personally enrolled. Just imagine you had 10% of that, be $88,000 a month. 1% would be $8,800. Titanium Executive is the goal. Rank up. Refer 10 or more to increase your earnings potential. Earn all 12 levels instead of 10. Plus earn a 10% matching matrix bonus, unlimited income potential, and look at that income. Well, get advanced ranks and rewards from Executive Trainer. When you enroll 12 or more, when you have 500 people in your organization, you make an extra $200 a month. Senior Executives, when you enroll 15 people or more and 1,000 people in your organization, that's another $500 a month lifestyle bonus on top. That's in addition to all the other methods of income, all the way to Crown Ambassador when you enroll 35 personally enrolled members. That is the ultimate, and that's an extra $10,000 in monthly lifestyle bonus dollars. And we send you rings and watches, and we like to send jewelry and recognition to all of our people. Lower your bills at the Titanium level, and for our business owners, teaching people how to save money on so many things: mobile, internet, security, payroll. We have a division set up just to help our Titanium members and business owners save money. And when people save money, commissions are paid out up to 10 levels. Same thing on health insurance. Stop paying retail on health insurance. You can pay up to 40% less by going through Savings Highway Global. Same large PPO networks, typically lower deductibles, earn monthly residual, 10 levels in compensation. You also could sell this to businesses for employees. How to virtually guarantee your success. Number one, believe in the value of your membership. 2, believe you can refer to members. 3, take action and do it. Number 4, help those you refer do the same. 5, rinse, repeat, do it over and over again. And yes, result, you can make up to $20,000 per month or more. Go Titanium. Easy marketing. We have lots of methods, including postcards, flyers, business cards, system, texting strategies. This company, in my opinion, will be $1 billion a year company. We're in over 141 countries. With my experience being on the advisory board with such great people, I actually ran a company as the CEO of a $500 million a year company. I've also have a national financial services company and have served on 3 other advisory boards. And I can tell you, in my humble opinion, my professional opinion, that Savings Highway Global has all the ingredients to become $1 billion a year company and beyond. And when they do that, they'll be paying out over $800 million to their representatives per year. That's exciting. How much of that would you like? Only 500 founders left in the Titanium level, then it's gone forever. Choose powerfully. Choose your membership. You can get started for as little as $20 at the gold level. You have a travel engine, savings portal. You have a $2,000 per month income potential, but you have no bonuses at the gold level. Platinum, everything you have in the gold, but you also have the family legal plan, global travel assist. You have bonuses of 50% of the Titanium. Refer to and earn $125, a $10,000 per month potential. So it's better than gold, but the best. Titanium, our most popular, at $199 a month. And there you have the big list. Everything you get with platinum and gold, from the teledoc to the roadside to the free vacation up to $2,000 per year, $1,000 grocery savings, credit repair, Titanium call center. It's all there for you. Potential income of $20,000 per month and more. You get the $5,447 in free bonuses, the credit repair, the hotel, the 3-day, 2-night, grocery savings, Founders Live call center, the Founders 4-Diamond vacation, $5,447 in bonuses, and you're only paying $199 for your Titanium membership. Join our mission. Help 1 million families become financially free. It's time. It's time to improve your life now. Yes, SHG can help you do it all, from finding financial freedoms to paying off all your debts. Now it's time to make a great and powerful decision. How do you want to get started with Savings Highway Global? Do you want to get started at gold at the $20 level, the platinum at $100, or do you want to go all in with Titanium, get all of the savings benefits and have all the income potential? The choice is yours. Get back to the person who introduced you to this video. Click the link that's in the description if you have a link in front of you. Again, this is Bill Constantin, Chief Financial Advisor of Savings Highway Global, wishing you all the very best. Congratulations on making a great decision, and we'll see you on the inside.
It's the best compensation plan, dollar for dollar. In a perfect world, all levels, more than 100% is paid out.
This is the best leadership I've seen at any company. Not only talented people that are of like-minded, but of like-hearted. I mean, it's an incredible privilege. I've known Steve for a long time. The foundation's been laid with this company. It's poised for explosion. Make sure you're there, and we're going to take this company to the moon.
I am so pumped up about this opportunity.
Anyone who's listening to this, whether you're a parent or not a parent, this company, it has so much to offer. SHG is home to me.